Hey guys, welcome in. Today we have a visitor. That's my brother, Amirius. He is going to go wild on this, but today I was wondering what this is in the package. It was the iPhone 11 case. And then I'm like, this iPhone thing can't be just in a box, and it wasn't like a very big box. I'm like, why would they do that? So Mary, do you want to start peeling off that thing?
Well, remember we're going to do this first?
Oh yeah. Actually, we're going to do this first. So it's an easy open from that case. Okay, let's get the case.
Whoa, it feels weird.
Oh, it feels so good.
No, it feels too
Okay,
weird.
we're going to do this thing. Okay, I'm going to do the opening. Wait, dude.
I'll hold the bottom. Feel it.
No home button. Look at your two cameras. Isn't that silly? Okay, so want to open this thing? Dude, don't touch the screen. Okay. It's probably dead.
Bro, look at it. It has its own charger.
Oh yeah, you're thank you. It's so much work. You have Apple symbol. Mary, don't use that. Don't use that. It might be powered off. You know, sometimes when you get phones, you never know what you expect. Like they might turn on. That's why I always, dude, it's powering on. We never know what's gonna happen. What if it just turns on, just starts celebrating? It's like, your new phone, yay! I'm crazy. What?
What are these,
You
Dad?
wanna do this?
What's these? I don't know what.
No, don't do anything. Don't tap anything, dude. Ooh, don't tap anything. You're gonna set up a different language that we don't even know. Okay?
What's this, Daddy?
So you have a bigger home button, Daddy. You have all these speakers, but
What's
still
this?
no audio in.
Those are stickers. Remember, don't pull them up, okay?
Why?
So let me
Rob
tell.
probably wants to put them somewhere special.
Then why can I
We'll
have?
split them. We'll go one and one.
So here's some basic things. So when you want to get to all those apps, you don't just go like that, like you do this until it shows like apps, and you let go, and it'll show, and you just like swipe tap. So English is the first one that I don't want to do right now. So what are the things you want to put in the case so we don't get all touchy?
Okay, now we're done with the video.
Or not. How are we gonna put this thing in? That or something? How do we put this in?
Wait, let's see how much battery it has. It has a lot still.
I don't know how to put this in. Do you want to try something?
Try sliding the top in first and then doing the bottom.
Okay. There's just silent mode on. It tells you right there. Oh my gosh. There we go. Feels good. I like your case. English. English. Country. It's the United States. Start quick. Set up manually. Let's go back and move this out. So that's the iPhone. That's so.
How do you put this in?
So here's some of the things that's been saying.
How do you put this in?
Put what in?
That thing.
No. It says hello. So do you want to do something?
I'll
now or
plug
something?
it in.
Do. Oh, whole different language I just selected there. Set up manually. What does that mean? It's like you're setting up.
Rob, look, what's on that can go on the front?
What is your background going to be or something?
Whoa, it just makes more phones. You can see more phones.
Robert's 5G. That's my Wi-Fi.
Robert, look. You can see the phone stuff.
Oh, and if you want to know how on other phones, like when you swipe up like this, it's just going to be right here, okay? Get it? I know a lot about this, so... It's going to have a 5G network, so that's always great to have. Connect to a macro PC. Oh, connect to next. This may take a few minutes to activate.
50.
You want to do something or end the video?
Are you all done? Want to say bye to your followers?
So it says, it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Your iPhone. So.
Alright.
There's even a little camera spot right here for it. Like wants to keep your camera extra clean. Oh yeah, here it is to put on the case.
Okay, you ready to sign off?
Bye guys.